we're capable of being these guardians of this little moment and peace, planting that and just knowing what that can ripple into in the future. It's like all of that packed into.
It starts now with us. Beautiful, yeah. So I decided last year that I was going to save these seeds every year forever, and save them. I'm doing it in a way where I save the genetic diversity, where you have to save seed from. I grew, I think, 90 plants, and I saved seed from 40 plus plants. And I had made all these sets of seeds for people who want to grow them out the same way I'm doing it, and save them for genetic diversity. And they're really easy to save. I guess the seed diversity is really important, the genetic diversity of the seeds that we're saving, because in future times with climate change and whatnot, we won't know what traits we would like to preserve, and which seeds will see us through times of drought, and who knows what climate changes. And you can grow your own medicine, you can grow your own vegetables and herbs, and you can share them with people, giving them to everybody to try, because I've only got a tiny little backyard. And my buddy A.M. Mamie told me that his family in Wichita has been saving these seeds for generations, and now he's in charge of saving the seed and distributing it, and so he gave me these seeds to plant this year. Okay. Do you have somewhere to put them?
Yeah, in my garden.
Okay. Trade you a hug for a seed.
Where else? Thank you.
Feel like that we can make a difference by the small actions that we take in our lives, and it's something that we can actually do in our backyards.